Previously on Desperate Housewives.
Hey! I know. Our dinner.
How could we have all forgotten about this?
We didn't exactly forget. It's just usually when the hostess dies, the party's off.
Annette!
I'm not being flip. I'm just pointing out a reality.
Mary Alice was so excited about it. So sad.
I think we should go through with it.
Really? Wouldn't that be in poor taste?
No, it's sort of a way to honor Mary Alice. It was so important to her.
We could all use a fun night.
Well, good, because I have some new flatware that I've just been dying to show off.
Lynette?
I'm in.
I'll make braised lamb shanks.
I'm still in.
A dinner party? Do I have to go?
Well, given that we're hosting it, I'd say so. By the way, you won't be drinking at this party.
Well, why is that?
Because when you drink, you get chatty. No one needs to know that we're seeing Dr. Goldfine.
You know, if you spent half as much time working on our problems as you do covering them...
Not a drop.
You know, this is ridiculous. And this whole thing about us taking tennis lessons?
Well, the nurses at your office may start wondering why you're disappearing 3 times a week. Tennis lessons are a plausible alibi.
So these tennis lessons we're taking, how we doing?
My backhand's improving immensely, but you're still having problems with your serve.
Of course.
So Gabrielle says that you and Bree are taking lessons 3 times a week.
Uh-huh.
I'm actually thinking about playing again. I mean, it's such great exercise.
That it is.
And my drop shot could use a serious tune-up. Think you can give me the number of your pro?
Yeah. I'll give it to you later.
Well, what club does he work out of?
We're not really taking tennis lessons, Carlos.
You're not.
That's a story Bree concocted to cover the fact that we're seeing a marriage counselor. Bree, he wouldn't stop asking about the tennis pro. Bree and I are in marriage counseling. Everyone knows our secret now. Did the sky fall? Has your life come crashing down?
If everybody would please take your seats. Dinner is served.
Okay, I gotta break the ice here. So you're in counseling, big deal. You want humiliation? I'll give you humiliation. I locked myself out of my house stark naked and got caught by Mike
Oh my God, when did this happen?
today, right before the party.
What can I say? Right place, right time.
I think I can top that. Try getting thrown out of Disneyland for lewd behavior.
What? When was this?
When Tom and I were first married, things got a little out of hand on Mr. Toad's wild ride.
You're kidding.
No, we got perp walked down Main Street, USA.
Oh, since we're doing true confessions, Carlos and I once broke a waterbed in Cancun.
How'd you manage that?
Oh, he used to have a thing for spiked heels.
I'd just like to make it clear she was wearing them.
Rex cries after he ejaculates. So, where are you going?
I'll be staying at the motor lodge.
The hotel by the interstate has better rates, and it's closer to your work.
Fine.
I'm packing your swimsuit. There's a pool there, and I know how swimming relaxes you.
When our kids ask where I am, what are you going to say?
I could tell them that you went to tennis camp. That was a joke.
Yeah, I got it.
There, obviously, if you've forgotten anything, you can, come right back and get it.
Well, I'll call you.
Rex. In college, when we first started dating, people were so jealous of us. We were the golden couple. Everybody knew we were going to have this wonderful life. Why is this happening?
Because you can't even let me pack my own suitcase.
I'm not being flip, I'm just pointing out a reality. I'm not being flip, I'm just pointing out a reality.
I think we should go through with it. I think we should go through with it.
Has your life come crashing down? Has your life come crashing down?
Okay, I gotta break the ice here. Okay, I gotta break the ice here.